The benefits of synthetic EIFS stucco over traditional stucco. Synthetic stucco, also known as exterior insulation finish systems, EIFS, has become a popular alternative to conventional stucco in recent years. This is due to the fact that synthetic stucco offers several advantages over traditional stucco, such as increased energy efficiency, a greater variety of design alternatives, and easier maintenance. Energy efficiency. Enhanced energy efficiency is one of the greatest advantages of synthetic stucco. Multiple layers of traditional stucco are applied to the exterior of a structure using a mixture of Portland cement, sand, and water. This creates a sturdy, robust wall that is resistant to the elements, but it also makes classic stucco rather porous. Consequently, it can allow air and moisture to enter through the wall, resulting in draughts and possible water damage. In contrast, synthetic stucco is composed of foam insulation and a polymer-based coating. This forms a continuous layer of insulation around the buildings outside, which reduces heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. This not only makes the building more comfortable to live in, but it can also help homeowners save money on their utility bills. Design. Additionally, exterior insulation and finish system offers a variety of design alternatives. Only a few colors and textures are normally available for traditional stucco, limiting its design options. In contrast, synthetic stucco can be modified to create a variety of styles, from sleek and contemporary to rugged and rustic. This enables homeowners to select a finish that complements the style of their home and their own tastes. Maintenance. Traditional stucco requires more maintenance than synthetic stucco. Because it is composed of foam insulation and a polymer coating, synthetic stucco is resistant to cracking, peeling, and other forms of damage. This means that it will retain its stunning appearance for a longer period of time and will require fewer maintenance and repairs. Michigan winters. Traditional stucco does not hold up as well to Michigan winters. Years ago it was said that traditional stucco lasts over 100 years, but that was not actually true. It really lasts over 100 cycles of a freeze and thaw, which now could pass much quicker. Think about how many times in one winter it falls below 32 degrees and then rises enough to start thawing, and you will realize how that 100 years could be as low as 9 nowadays. The synthetic stucco, based with EPS foam and fiberglass cement, expands and contracts much better than the brittle traditional stucco. In fact, it is rare to even see traditional stucco in Michigan anymore, and when you do it is usually cracked and falling apart. In conclusion, overall, exterior insulation and finish system has several advantages over conventional stucco. Its improved energy efficiency, vast variety of design options, and ease of care make it a popular alternative for homeowners who wish to improve the appearance and energy efficiency of their houses.